Hi, today I have a very interesting lock for you guys. It's a BAB, BAB, and it's very interesting as far as I know German lock, or I think Eastern German lock, and this one is Z410, and on top you can see 2880 V12. It's a really interesting. I don't know what it's for. It's a 4-pin lock. You can see here's the key and here's another key. The two keys are the same, but because of this material and exposure to, I don't know, to the environment, this is, both keys are with pretty interesting color, and also, and you can see the second key, and also the lock is with this, yeah, not like the keys, but yeah, it's pretty interesting color and interesting lock, and it's going counterclockwise only. So you can see this part, and you can see the part of the key here, and I cannot disassemble it because this is like, these pins are, because of these pins I cannot, not pins like indentation, I cannot disassemble it. And there is a plate on the bottom side, but I tried, but I was unable to remove it. So yeah, let me show you the beading. I don't know which one is the, yeah, this is the better looking one. It's a, as you can see, 4-pin lock. The beading is nothing special, and it's without any security pins. So yeah, let's start picking this one, and I need to go counterclockwise, so I'm going US way because it's easier to tension it, and I will use the similar, like pretty interesting color matching the keys, short hook by XB mode. So let's start. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 is binding. Click from 4, so let's go 2 nothing, now 1 is binding. Click from 1, 2, 3, 4 is back, and we are open. It's a pretty really easy pick, but it's really cool and interesting lock. And yeah, I don't know if they're still in business or making locks, but that's the logo, some W with a G outside and W inside. That's how it's how it looks like, but I don't know if that's the truth. Probably some of my German lockpicking friends will add more info. I found some information on the internet, but yeah, that was the cool BAB, I call it BAB lock, picked. So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.